Thank you for joining us as we celebrate the opening of the Parkway Medical Center and this exciting new chapter for Watson Clinic and for our community. This beautiful new 4-story, 80,000 square foot medical center will bring many of Watson Clinic's most in-demand specialties, including cardiology, general surgery, hand surgery, OB-GYN, orthopedics, sports medicine, pediatrics, podiatry, and urology, with additional services to come. It also includes on-site laboratory and imaging services. So that means patients get more of what they need in one convenient place. First to move in will be our OB-GYN team. We'll start seeing patients here as early as June 15th, with other specialties to follow in the weeks ahead. When you step back and you look at all three facilities together, what you really see is a campus built around the patient experience. People can come here for physician visits, imaging, laboratory services, outpatient procedures, and when needed, hospital-based care, all in one common location. That matters. It matters because it makes the healthcare experience simpler, more coordinated, and easier to navigate. And that can make a real difference in people's lives.
All right, you guys ready? 1, 2, 3.